Looking for power, precision, and durability in one tool? Meet the DEWALT 20V Max XR Impact Driver DCF845B, your new best friend for getting the job done faster and easier. Want to know why this tool is a game changer? Keep watching. This impact driver isn't just any tool, it's a powerhouse packed into a compact frame. Powered by DEWALT's 20V Max XR technology, the DCF845B delivers 1,825 inch-pounds of torque to help you tackle even the toughest materials. Imagine breezing through wood, metal, and concrete without breaking a sweat. But here's the kicker, it's all about control. The DCF845B comes with 3 speed settings, giving you ultimate versatility. Whether you're handling delicate projects or need maximum power for heavy-duty jobs, this driver adjusts to your needs, putting precision right in your hands. And because DEWALT knows how frustrating downtime can be, this tool features a brushless motor. That means longer runtime and fewer stops, so you stay productive. Who doesn't love a tool that works as hard as you do? You need a tool that fits your hand like a glove, and the DCF845B does just that. It's compact and lightweight, weighing only 2 pounds, perfect for extended use without fatigue. Working in tight spaces? No problem. Its slim profile allows you to maneuver with ease, even in the most confined areas. Plus, with the integrated LED light, you can illuminate your workspace even in low-light conditions. No more squinting or guessing where your screw is going. This tool lets you work smarter, not harder. Need one more reason? This impact driver is part of DEWALT's 20V Max battery platform, so if you already own other DEWALT tools, you're in luck. The battery is interchangeable, saving you time and money. When it comes to reliability, DEWALT is the brand trusted by professionals worldwide. Whether you're a seasoned contractor or a DIY enthusiast, you know you're getting quality, durability, and innovation in every tool. The DCF845B impact driver is no different. Designed with DEWALT's signature tough build, it's engineered to withstand the rigors of any job site while maintaining peak performance. This tool isn't just an investment in your toolkit, it's an investment in your work. So what are you waiting for? If you want a tool that delivers raw power, precise control, and unbeatable durability, the DEWALT 20V Max XR Impact Driver DCF845B is the answer. Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment to get yours today. And trust me, you don't want to miss out on this. Upgrade your toolbox with the best. Hit the link and make the DEWALT DCF845B part of your toolkit now.